Now, when it comes to drills, you have a few different options. Most of us are going to be most familiar with a combo, your cordless drill that has a hammer drill feature. Usually you have a selection dial. You can dial in how much torque you want to deliver. You can dial it to the drilling function, or you can go to the hammer icon, which is the hammer drill function. Now, the big pro of this is you probably already have this tool in your arsenal, so you don't have to go buy another drill specifically for this application, but you probably will have to go ahead and get yourself a masonry drill bit. But I want to show you the other options you have for drills, which are actually much better at drilling into brick or cinder block or into the mortar itself. So next up, I picked this one up specifically for my Makita cordless setup. It's a rotary hammer drill, and it is wildly more effective than just your standard that we just showed you. Why is that? Well, the actual hammering feature is completely different, and there's actually an internal piston here that's able to provide substantially more force or chipping force as you're drilling your hole. I highly recommend, if you're doing anything more than just one hole, you're doing a larger project, you either rent, which is probably $30 to $40 for the tool itself for the day, but don't forget, you're still going to have to buy your bits that you need for your actual project. Or alternatively, if you don't want to invest something like $200 to $250, what you would get with something like this, you can go to something like Harbor Freight, and usually for about $100, you can pick up a rotary hammer drill. Again, it might not be ideal for those using it every day, but for us DIY homeowners, it might be perfect for your actual project. And then lastly, we have another rotary hammer drill, but this starts to get into a lineup that increases substantially in size. Not only will this be a really solid hammer drill for you, but it also goes into like a demo range where you can just use it to hammer. Maybe you're taking out an old sidewalk, or you're removing some stubborn flooring, where you can put some spades and other bits off of this rotary hammer drill and just use the chipping hammer function, which can be very handy in the future. This one specifically is corded and packs quite the punch, even over that Makita cordless I just showed you. Now, hopefully that helped you guys out, but if you want to dive deeper in another very important part of understanding how to drill into concrete, brick, or mortar, you're going to need to understand what masonry drill bits you need, because there are a lot of options. So check out this video right here and we'll quickly walk you through your options. Now, if you want to see a complete project where I was hanging a hook on a brick wall, both drilling into brick and mortar, and comparing and contrasting the differences, check out this video right here. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on one of those next ones. Take care.